The 2026 Ford Falcon XW 1969 in track red is more than just a car. It's an experience that blends timeless Australian muscle heritage with modern performance refinement, creating a machine that doesn't just turn heads but demands respect wherever it rolls. This model captures the soul of the late 60s with its aggressive stance, bold lines, and raw power, while bringing forward updates that make it equally thrilling for today's drivers who crave both nostalgia and cutting-edge performance. The track red finish makes it instantly recognizable, glowing under natural light with a depth and richness that emphasizes every curve, crease, and muscular contour of the body. The wide front grille and quad headlights carry that unmistakable XW Falcon DNA, a design that became iconic for its no-nonsense attitude, while the chrome detailing offers just enough shine to balance aggression with elegance. When you move along the sides, the bold shoulders and slightly flared arches remind you that this car was built for performance, housing wheels that aren't just stylish but functional, gripping the road with confidence. The rear carries that classic fastback-inspired profile with clean taillights that instantly transport you back to 1969, yet enhanced with modern lighting technology for precision and visibility. Everything about this car speaks to balance, heritage styling preserved with an infusion of new-age detail. Pop the hood, and you find where the real magic happens. The Falcon XW is powered by a modernized V8 engine, tuned to deliver exhilarating horsepower while remaining reliable for everyday use. The engine growls to life with an exhaust note that's raw, deep, and unmistakably muscle, but the engineering upgrades provide smoother rev ranges, better fuel mapping, and improved cooling, meaning this beast isn't just about raw power but sustainable performance. Step inside the cabin, and the fusion of vintage charm and futuristic upgrades continues. The dash pays homage to the 1969 original with its clean layout and analog-inspired dials, but seamlessly integrates digital displays for navigation, performance metrics, and connectivity. The leather seats hug the driver and passengers with bolstered support, wrapped in premium materials that blend retro stitching patterns with modern comfort technology. The steering wheel is a perfect mix of classic thin-rimmed Falcon design and ergonomic modern construction, giving you that feeling of old-school control with 21st century precision. Subtle touches like brushed aluminum, soft touch surfaces, and retro badging keep you immersed in the car's story, while features like wireless connectivity, climate control, and premium audio remind you that this is a Falcon reimagined for modern roads. Driving the 2026 Ford Falcon XW is where the experience truly comes alive. The chassis has been reworked to handle modern road conditions and performance expectations, with upgraded suspension that blends ride comfort and cornering stability. The car feels planted, confident, and composed even when pushed hard, delivering that raw rear-wheel drive thrill but with sharper handling and better safety than the original. Braking is upgraded to modern disc technology, ensuring that the car not only accelerates with ferocity but also stops with authority. The gearbox, whether you opt for the manual for that pure connection or the modern automatic for convenience, shifts with precision and responsiveness, giving drivers the choice of how they want to experience this classic reborn. Every inch of this Falcon celebrates a culture of performance and individuality. It isn't just a car for collectors, it's for drivers who want to relive the 60s muscle era while enjoying 21st century reliability. On the road, the track red paintwork was magnetic, reflecting light in a way that makes the car look alive, always ready to roar. Enthusiasts who grew up admiring the XW will feel that rush of nostalgia the moment they hear the engine, while a new generation of car lovers will instantly understand why the Falcon became such a legend. It stands as a symbol of freedom, performance, and bold design, bridging an unforgettable past with an electrifying future. This 2026 reimagining doesn't erase history, it preserves it, amplifies it, and makes it more accessible than ever. Whether you're a collector, a weekend cruiser, or someone who just appreciates pure automotive artistry, the Ford Falcon XW 1969 Track Red Rebirth is proof that true legends never fade, they evolve, and when they return, they roar louder than ever.